Your Excellency, one of them, Idris, just wants to summarize the experience of what they have gone through, and just 2 minutes to say something.
1, 2. Your Excellencies, we are really grateful and thankful for you creating time to visit us, Sama. My name is Idris Abdi. I have a roots from Ethiopia, Idilola. My grandparents are from Idilola. I was born in Mathare constituency. After high school, I did manual work. You share a lot about selling eggs. I was doing car wash, and I was introduced to digital literacy through Sama in 2015, but graduated and joined Sama in 2016, where I started as an associate. Right now, I'm a team leader. I've grown up in my career. Right now, we're in a team of, we're managing about 200 as a project. And in the time I've been in Sama, I've been able to, move from slum of Mathare. Right now, I live at a better house. I've been able to help my siblings, my brothers. I've gone to school, did diploma, and also pursuing degree. And the ripple effect of it is so intense. I represent the whole of these people. And so many families that have benefited from pressing the computer, na dola inaingia, na tunashughulikia familia, and we're really grateful. And you coming means also an opportunity, not only just for us, but for other people, and Sama to grow, and even the digital economy in this country to grow. So thank you so much, and God bless you. Idilola, to be precise. Yes, thank you so much, Your Excellency.